Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would love to show you this beautiful piece. Don't click away because it's just a pocket watch. It's so much more than a pocket watch. This is a specific limited amount of time, the second half of the 19th century, the late 1800s, which is so important for watchmaking. I'll talk you through it. Really worth your time watching this clip. Waltham, and we just finished restoring this watch, but just look at the watch case. Beautiful, rounded, lovely stuff. I use a ball not to make any scratches. And just look at the perfect fit for the watch case. Well, it's not a pocket watch as such. It is a scientific timekeeping instrument. It's got nothing to do with status symbol. For me, the late 1800s is the perfect balance between artisanal watchmaking, but on an industrial scale. So many watches be made for this from this Waltham. Here, Vanguard, Waltham, Massachusetts, and this is the 21 jewel version. This is just such a joy to work on, but there's more. I was, naming it a timekeeping instrument, which is exactly that is. In the late 1800s, it was for the first time that over a long distance on land, you need the same time, standardized time. Even in England, with the first railroad from London to Bristol, there was an 11-minute difference between noon in London and noon in Bristol. Because time is so local. If you put a stick in the ground, and when the shadow is shortest, it's noon, midday. But that is very local. And just before the railroads, everybody was looking at the same clock tower, setting their watch, and lived in a very local time zone. Even if the mother clock in the clock tower was half an hour off, running slow or fast, or maybe an hour even, which is extreme, but everybody was looking at the same time and living in the same time zone. With railroad, for the first time, you need the same time over a long distance. Lives were at stake. So these watches are beautiful. Just look at that. They were so accurate and well built. And just like every railroad watch, and again, no see-through case back. There is no need to make a watch this beautiful. But just like every railroad watch, again, look at the watch case and just how beautifully it's made. If you set the hands, no matter how accurate your watch is, once you set the hands, you don't know what time it is. So with every railroad clock, there is a hidden device here, just to set the hands. And that is set in the factory or during quality control. And once the time is set to a strict mother clock, then the bezel or lunette is screwed back in place, and you simply cannot set the hands that easily because it's a railroad watch. The exact time is crucial. So for me, this is such an interesting period in watchmaking. It is on an industrial scale, but still got the artisanal, beautiful finish. There was no need to make it this beautiful, but they did. Railroad watches, American, such a joy to work on. I hope you enjoyed this end result and the beauty of these American Waltham watches. If you're into watchmaking, please have a look on our YouTube channel Chronoglide, and hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.